This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play realistic battles in War Thunder. Unlike arcade, you get only one life per vehicle, making every decision critical. You'll manage realistic flight or driving models, fuel, and ammunition. Success hinges on careful planning, strategic positioning, and effective teamwork. This mode offers a deeply immersive and challenging combat experience for dedicated players. Before entering battle, carefully choose your vehicle lineup. Aim for a balanced team with different roles, like fighters and bombers or tanks and anti-air. Customize your ammunition loadout to suit potential targets, perhaps carrying 50% armor-piercing rounds. Also, select just enough fuel for your mission, typically around 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid unnecessary wait. In battle, always maintain high situational awareness. Constantly scan your surroundings for threats and opportunities. Utilize terrain and cover effectively to conceal your movements and launch surprise attacks. For aircraft, always try to engage from a position of energy advantage, such as higher altitude. Effective communication with your teammates, using the in-game chat or radio commands, is vital for coordinating pushes and defensive maneuvers. To truly master realistic battles, dedicate time to learning each vehicle's unique characteristics, including its speed, maneuverability, and weapon ballistics. Practice your aiming and target leading in custom battles to refine your precision. Watching experienced players on streaming platforms can provide valuable insights into advanced tactics. Finally, regularly review your own battle replays to identify mistakes and understand how you can improve your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.